Hey everybody, Erica Serwin here from Pink Buckaroo Designs. I've got a cute little Valentine treat box for you that features a nuts and bolts stamp set. This is a stamp in the 2022 spring Stampin' Up! Catalog. It is super cute. Let me show you what is inside. I am using lots of new products here. I'll tell you all about them as we go. But this, you can slide off. Actually, you don't even need to untie the ribbon. Slide that off and that's what the box looks like. Inside, I've got these Sweet Talker marshmallows I found at my grocery store, Russell Stover. You could also use Ghirardelli's. They will fit as well in here. All right, so let's get started. Let me close that up and put that back in there. Let's make our box first. Now, there's going to be a PDF over on my blog that has the measurements and the supply list for this. So don't feel like you have to scribble it down. You can go over there and print it for free. This is a piece of real red that is 5.5 by 7. We're going to score the short side at 3/4 of an inch, 1.5, 4, and 4 3/4. Then turn and score the long side at 2 3/8 and 4 5/8 right there. All right, now take your bone folder, burnish all those lines, get them nice and crisp. All right, now we're going to cut out the outside 4 squares. But we're also going to cut some score lines too. So I'm going to cut this out first, like that. And then I'm going to come down here and cut this score line, like that. So we have that arm, okay? So you're going to do that on all 4 sides. Cut the outside one out and cut that off. All right, so that's what your piece looks like now. One other thing that I'm going to have you do is cut these corners right here. Okay, and right here. And right there. So that is what your piece looks like right now. All right, I'm going to take my corner rounder and I'm going to round the corners of these larger sections. Like that. All right, now we're going to adhere these like that. See how that's all going to go in, and that's going to fold down like that. So I think I'll use, for the sake of the video, I think I'm just going to use my Stampin' Seal. So put adhesive on the inside of those and the inside of these right here. So now take these and fold them together with adhesive sticking right there. And then adhesive sticking right there. And then fold these down to make a nice rounded edge. All right, now with your bone folder, take your bone folder and curl these like this. All right, and then they are going to fold over like that. All right, so there's your box. Your little candy will fit in there. A Ghirardelli square fits in here nicely as well. Okay, now I have cut 2 pieces. We're going to make a belly band. So I've cut 2 pieces of our All Together Designer Series paper. They're each 2 by 4. And I'm going to fold those over like that. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to fold it over. All of the paper in the All Together suite is black and white, so any of the patterns will work. Okay, so fold that over like that. And now, get that nice and centered. Let's take our ribbon. This is our new Real Red linen ribbon. It is really nice. It's light and easy to tie. It's not very bulky. Tie that right there on the top. And there is our box. Now let's make our cute little robot tag. I'm going to stamp that robot in Memento Black on thick basic white. And I'm going to color him with Pool Party. Now I actually looked up robots, cute. I Googled cute robots to see what color our cute robots were. And they come in every color you could imagine. So don't be afraid to use whatever color inspires you for your robot. I like Pool Party as a color for Valentine's Day with real red. I think it looks really good. All right, now I'm going to take my dark and I'm going to add some shadow here. Like that. Okay, now I think I'm going to add some color to his arms and his little upper sections, his bottom sections, his legs. All right, now I'm going to take my color lifter and we're going to remove some of that color so he's lighter up here at the very top and around his eyes and then down on his the edges like that. Oops, I forgot his arm. So that's going to give you some variation, more variation in the color. That color lifter is fun. It will kind of add, give you more dimension to your project. Now I'm going to fussy cut him. Unfortunately, he does not have matching dies, but that's okay. We've got scissors. We'll go old school. Stay on the outside edge and just kind of create, let's see, did I keep that? Yeah, I did. I'm going to go around it. Sometimes when something's tricky to cut like that, I just cut it off. But I did keep it. I think it's cute. And I just went around it. I didn't try to go in between those lines. All right. Cut the extra cardstock off as you go. I'm going to come back and get in that little nook and cranny in a minute. Let's go all the way around like that. Now I can come in here and cut this off like that. See if we can get that little piece out of there. All right, there he is. How stinking cute is he? Now, I have cut out a real red, a basic white heart from the Bouquet of Love hybrid embossing folder dies. And I'm going to stamp the You Make My Heart Go Beep, which is hilarious. I love that. Right there on the right side. I'm going to get the hearts and stamp them up here towards the top of the heart. And we'll get a dimensional right here, and we'll put him kind of hanging off the side like that. Look, I love how he's looking at the words. And we're going to straddle that ribbon there like that and put him right there. And there you have it. Super cute. Remember that I need to tie my bow again. That pack of designer series paper, it's a limited time only paper. It will only be around for a couple of months, but every piece in it is black and white. And it has great patterns, so you could make lots of these with that paper using probably any pattern in the pack. All right, hop back to my blog, grab that free PDF with the measurements and the supply list, and give this a try yourself. Happy Valentine's! Bye-bye.